Andy, on a WordPress website, what's the difference between posts and pages?
They are a lot different in terms of what they're used for. A post is kind of like an incremental update on a blog. So if you have reviews, articles, things you're posting in a timely manner, even if you're updating them, that's where a post would belong. But if you have things that are kind of more solid in your blog and more structural, like about pages, contact pages, your home page, that's going to be in pages. Now, I know it's not obvious when you first log into a WordPress site, but that's definitely how I would use both. And it's also interesting to think about them as content types. So in WordPress, you can expand the content types in terms of functionality. So if you install WooCommerce, you may notice that you'll see products as a post type. So it's kind of all the same functionality, but it's just about how you use them and how you structure them within WordPress.
I love that. And the way that I also think about this is I differentiate them based on posts are dynamic. So posts, I change, I update. Pages are pretty static. That's something that when I set it, I'm okay to forget it for the most part. And that's maybe in the context of if you run a WordPress blog, right? So your home, your about, your contact, those are pages. Those aren't things that I'm updating very often, but posts, that's when I'm publishing a new blog post every week. That's something that will also just change over time. So I'll come back and I'll update that, maybe 6 months later to keep the content fresh.